What's going on, guys? Tyler here. Hey, I just wanted to mention that Elementor is celebrating their 5th birthday this week, and by celebrating this birthday they're actually giving some great discounts on Elementor Pro. Now, if you guys have seen my other videos, you know I'm a huge fan of Elementor Pro, and I highly recommend it to all of my friends that are developing websites because there are so many additional features that Elementor free version just simply doesn't have. You can customize your website in so many more ways. There are a lot more options for you to actually create these effects into your website, make animations happen, and a lot of awesome things that you can actually do on your website, whereas with Elementor free version you're just not able to. In addition, you can create custom headers and custom footers, making the template builder very easy to use. Now, if you're interested in Elementor Pro, be sure and click on that link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. They really are some great deals going on Elementor Pro, especially for those multi-site licenses. Now, I started out with a personal Elementor Pro single license package, but then I moved over to the multi-site licenses because I realized that I'm designing a lot more websites than just my own personal one, and I even started designing websites for other people, and I wanted them to have that capability to use Elementor Pro and all the additional widgets and add-ons and features that come along with the Pro version. So again, guys, if you're looking for a deal and want to get your hands on Elementor Pro, check out that link down below in the description and get your hands on Elementor Pro today. And also, guys, I am in the middle of uploading a build your own website from the ground up video tutorial series. So if you guys are interested in that, I will have a link down below to the playlist. You can actually start from the very beginning or just kind of continue on or catch up with where we're at right now. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.